InMotion RS. Meet the ultra-high-performance e-scooter, InMotion RS. It's a beast on wheels, equipped with dual 2000W motors that provide high speed and excellent torque. With a maximum range of 75 to 100 kilometers, it's perfect for those upward slopes and thrilling rides. The scooter features high-voltage headlights, durable tubeless tires, and a sleek design that makes every ride an adventure. It's not just a mode of transport, it's a lifestyle. Lockley Vision Elite. Upgrade your home security with the Lockley Vision Elite Smart Lock. This next-generation video smart lock features a full HD camera, motion sensor, and quick fingerprint access. Get a clear view of visitors from head to toe, day or night, and enjoy multiple ways to unlock, including a biometric fingerprint, PIN keypad, and remote access. With motion alerts and solar-enhanced charging, it's more than a lock, it's your home's guardian. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Experience the world from a new perspective with the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. This featherlight drone captures stunning 4K quality images and videos. With extended battery life and a 20 km image transmission range, you'll never miss a moment. Advanced pilot assistance ensures safety, and the Active Track 360 degrees feature lets you track any object seamlessly. Take flight and capture breathtaking aerial shots with ease. Oasis Mini. Looking for a unique way to distress and express your creativity? Oasis Mini combines kinetic art and tech into an accessible device. A small ball rolls through sand, creating beautiful patterns and figures. Control the speed, tracks, and lighting modes through the app, and even create your own patterns. Made from real bamboo, Oasis Mini enhances your space and helps you engage in the moment, promoting peace and happiness. Transform your smartphone into a teleprompter with the Padcaster. This easy-to-set-up upgrade allows you to improve your video recording and teaching experience. It's versatile, compatible with various devices, and comes with a Bluetooth remote control. Enhance your content creation for only $100. Are you looking for the ultimate travel buddy? The pull-up suitcase is here to revolutionize your journey. With the ability to transform into a wardrobe, it provides ample space for your belongings. Its innovative design includes shelves and a snack table. At $952, this suitcase is the perfect combination of convenience and mobility. Anka Spaces. Are you an enthusiast traveler looking for convenience on the go? Anka Spaces is here to make your adventures even better. This portable multi-purpose table is a lightweight, easy-to-carry solution that sets up in a snap. With a built-in wireless charging pad, a 20,000 mAh battery pack, sound-adjusting buttons, and ambient lighting, it's perfect for camping trips. But the real game-changer is the built-in stereo Bluetooth speaker, which lets you create a party vibe anywhere you roam. Baseus Powercombo. Tired of tangled cables and cluttered desk space? Baseus Powercombo is the smart portable power station you've been waiting for. Equipped with Type-C, Type-A ports, and AC outlets, it's a versatile charging station. But what sets it apart is the built-in retractable 65W charging cable and advanced surge protections. Charge up to 4 devices simultaneously while maintaining peak performance and enjoy a clean, clutter-free environment. For all you snack lovers, the couch console is a must-have. This stand offers various modules, including a self-balancing cup holder and a snack bowl. It's perfect for gaming, movies, or work. Join the trend for $90. Say goodbye to paper clutter with the Powercombo M08F portable printer. It's compact, versatile, and capable of printing up to 130 sheets on a single charge. Stay organized for $160, with additional thermal paper available for $28. Experience premium sound with the KNZ Go Duo portable wireless stereo speakers. These speakers deliver impressive sound quality and offer a stunning 18-hour battery life. Their unique design makes them a stylish and practical addition to your daily life. Get yours for just $50. Capture amazing moments with the Hover Camera X1. This lightweight drone offers a 20-minute flight time and is incredibly easy to use. It captures stunning photos and videos and is a fantastic addition to your adventures. Secure one today for $590. Creek Sling Bag. For those who are always on the move, the Creek Sling Bag is your perfect companion. This compact bag offers an abundance of pockets and compartments to keep your gear organized. It's lightweight, waterproof, and designed to fit your body and style seamlessly. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling outdoor adventures, this bag ensures you have everything you need at your fingertips. Flameship Originals. Imagine a fireplace that combines fire and water in a mesmerizing display. Flameship Originals is a 3D electric steam fireplace that uses advanced ultrasonic technology to craft intricate illusions of flames and smoke. It's not just a source of warmth, but a mood-enhancing centerpiece that you can control with a remote. Enjoy different flame settings, from a smoldering fire to a roaring blaze, and rest easy knowing it's eco-friendly and safe for your home. Track your health and well-being with the Oura Ring Gen 3. This smart ring monitors your sleep quality, blood oxygen, and even helps with menstrual cycle tracking. It's a true engineering marvel, available in multiple sizes and colors for $300. Goovis G3 Maximum. Immerse yourself in a world of vivid colors and incredible details with Goovis G3 Maximum. This 5K OLED 3D headset offers an unrivaled viewing experience. The SLR-level lens design and giant 5K OLED screen deliver stunning visuals, while the 3rd-gen image processing algorithm ensures unparalleled image quality. With a 120 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time, it's perfect for gaming too. Transform any room into your private IMAX cinema and enjoy a level of entertainment you've never seen before. Need to clear your mind? The Turtle Titanium Fidget Slider is your answer. This magnetic toy offers a fun and satisfying way to keep your hands busy. With 2 versions to choose from, it's the ultimate stress reliever for just $247.
I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Are you tired of struggling with straps and heavy loads? The Strider RX is a revolutionary strap with a ratchet mechanism, ensuring secure and easy adjustments. With a working load limit of 136 kilograms, it's a versatile solution for all your needs. Get it for just $28.
Sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good.
Chord machine.
You look great.
Do you dream of playing musical instruments but find it challenging? Chord machine is your gateway to musical mastery. This sleek device allows you to switch between different notes effortlessly and modulate sounds with its touch screen. It's perfect for beginners and pros alike, with a design that caters to both right-hand and left-handed musicians. Start your journey to becoming a skilled artist and embrace the world of music.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside.
Are you tired of sleepless nights and constant tension? Imagine a gadget that can transform your sleep quality and reduce inattention. Introducing the Insomnia Therapy Mini Smart Handheld Sleeping Instrument. This incredible device uses microcurrent pulses to optimize your sleep, leading to a more refreshed morning. Plus, it doubles as an anti-stress toy and lasts up to 20 hours on a single charge. Get your good night's sleep for just $45.
These times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never.
Are you ready to elevate your daily routine? Say hello to the Capstone Connected Smart Mirror. This smart mirror offers more than just your reflection. It features a touchscreen display, built-in speakers, and even voice control. With essential apps for your daily needs, this mirror is a game changer. Available in 2 sizes, it's your new morning companion, priced at $800 or $1,000.
All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna.
Traveling can be a breeze with the Venti Portable Fan. This wireless gem is your perfect travel companion, offering up to 48 hours of operation on a single charge. With 180-degree rotation and ambient lighting, it's the ideal solution for hot days and stuffy rooms. This handy product can be yours for just $90.